destroying the brain.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another review with your host, Destroy the Brain. Today we got something super special. If you guys know, I love these two fools on the screen right here, Tom Segura and Bert Kreischer. As you can see, they just revealed their brand new vodka for Osos. Worldwide, well, US release just a couple days ago. Available nationwide. Sold out within minutes. Within minutes. Your boy's got a bottle. Your boy has a big bottle. They were out of the 750s. Within, I think, 8 minutes, they were sold out. That could be wrong, but I definitely logged in around 12:08 and they were already out. This looks like this is batch number 2. I don't know if you can see that, but it says POV 2024-0002 or Osos Vodka 2024. I assume second batch. Texas made vodka, distilled from grain, 40%. The label says here, from out of a bear cave, two friends emerged using cutting-edge technology and all natural ingredients. They crafted the smoothest vodka on earth, where every pour is a toast to camaraderie and an exceptional drinking experience. Grab a bottle, have a laugh, make friends. Good tagline. That's a girthy boy. I love the Two Bears. If you guys know the podcast, Two Bears, One Cave, with Bert and Tom, Tom and Bert. Like I said, made in Texas. Looks like it's a cork cap. I will unbottle and taste. My vodka knowledge, not great. I drank Absolute. I drank Tito's. Other than that, when I was young and dumb, I drank a lot of Pinnacle. Pinnacle's still around. They made a wonderful vanilla vodka. But yeah, back in the day, there was my happy drink. Learned it from a bar. It was Pinnacle whip, cranberry juice, and a splash of Red Bull. Cranberry grape juice. Splash of Red Bull. Try not to spill all over the place or the computer. Yeah. Or cap. Doesn't smell bad, so that's a plus. Gold. All right. So, said doesn't smell overly harsh. That's a plus. Yeah. That's good. That's really good. No dirty face. Definitely know it's vodka. Yeah. Strong taste. Of course he picked vodka. The machine. Yes. Nothing like Texas vodka though. Yeah, I like that. That'll go great in some cocktails. I can't wait. That's all for me tonight. Not even 5 o'clock yet. It's not even 5 o'clock yet. I still gotta get the kids. So no drink and drive for me tonight. Yeah. Like I said, 4 Osos, Bert and Tom vodka. Out of 10. Vodka isn't my normal like go-to. So saying it's a 10, kind of impossible. But it is really good. I'm more of a whiskey and rum drinker. I never drink anything neat. But for vodka, probably about 8.5, 9. Overall for me, 8, 8.3. Yeah, it's not, like I said, not overly. It's 40%, so it's not overly strong. It tastes smooth. Not much else you could ask for. Guys, get yourself a bottle. And Bert, Tom, if you're watching, I'll need more. Thanks. That's all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.